I was wanted to ask you whether actually you see the future of responsive environment as being more like us living in a kind of big machine, or more like living with many machines around us.
Okay, yeah, no, I really like the question, and I think that it's one that I've been thinking about quite a bit in relation to the home, which is a topic that we've addressed in Media and Design Lab and in a couple of design charrettes, the future of the home and imagining the future integration of technology in the home. And I think, personally, I find that there have been many compelling visions for the integration of technology in the home. In the 1920s already you had a very compelling machine aesthetic that Corbusier was proposing, and the idea of also some of the environmental systems that he was developing were in many ways a realization of that idea. But I think that the home is a place where there's a great deal of resistance to the integration of technology. I think people tend to be very conservative in their in the way that they live as compared to other areas of their lives, and their personal, their private space, and I think that conservatism, it has a financial motive in the sense that people are hesitant to, the home is an investment, they're hesitant to invest in something in a future of which they're uncertain. But I think also it's an aesthetic question. that people's taste in the home tends to be conservative, tends to withdraw from from the uncertainty of the new, or of what is possible. So I think that the areas where I see a lot of very practical possibility are both, or say, are two. One is the integration of technology in the home related to questions of energy conservation and of sustainability. Because I think for example, in the United States, there's a huge fascination with the idea of going off the grid, with the idea of energy independence. And I think any technology related to making this way of living possible is enormously appealing to a large number of people. And also, if as these types of considerations are necessitated by the rising cost of energy, this becomes more of I think of a very broadly interesting concept. And there is, really the home as envisioned by, say, the standards of Minergie or of Lead is very much a machine for living. It's a machine that's finely calibrated in terms of supporting a very particular living environment in relation to the conditions outside. But it's something that is mostly invisible also, a technology that's mostly invisible. So this is one area. I think also you have I think the idea that I think that you bring up in the book is fascinating, of the infiltration of the home by a multitude of devices. That I think home entertainment and gaming are areas that are transforming the typology of the home and the way people live in their homes. And this is fascinating in the way that it seems that people are more willing to see their homes transformed by these sort of transient or temporary devices than they are to invest, say, in a transformative vision of the home, in say an architectural vision for a future that some of us might find very exciting, but which is scary, I think, for people who are concerned to maintain their lives as they have been in the past.